We're here at the Menatek stand at IDEF 2019. We're talking to Naz Ünal, and she's going to tell us a little bit about Menatek as a company and what the exciting developments it has coming up in the future.
I'm the Business Development and Strategy Director of Menatek Defense Technologies, and I've been working here almost 7 years now. And what we're doing is that we design and manufacture subsystems for the armored land vehicles. We're not only focusing on one type of vehicle, we work on all types of actually. And then we also have our own group of products such as bearings, straddle bearings, metal on metal, and we have a new product we just launched yesterday, which is an armoring system.
So I understand that you provide parts for various prime systems such as the Abrams main battle tank, the Leopard 2 main battle tank, which is obviously an integral part of every supply chain. Can you tell us a little bit about that, the parts you provide, and also the capabilities that you have as a company? Because I understand that you can manufacture from the raw materials to those parts.
Well, we're not manufacturing the raw materials, we're buying the raw materials, but what we do is that we manage the largest supply chain of Turkey. We have nearly 1,000 suppliers under our roof, which works integratedly with our control, and we supply directly to the U.S. Army. We also supply as a subcontractor to the U.S. Army for many years now, and we have a lot of parts on for M1 Abrams, M113 Bradley as well, and M60 and most of the M series, I can say. Currently, we're supplying torsion bars for the M1. In the past, we have supplied a rotary damper, which is a part of the suspension system for the M1 Abrams, directly to the U.S. government as a prime contractor, and we're also now working on power takeoff transmission, PTO. We're also going to supply that to the U.S. Army, and we're also working on some both Leopard 1 and 2. We're also working on Puma in the past, and
That sounds great. So you're obviously a capable company.
Yes.
Lots going on. Tell me a little bit about the bearings, the development process that you went through for them, and what's coming up next for them.
Well, it has a interesting story behind, because it was exactly 2 years ago in IDEF when we met one of the huge companies of prime contractors of this sector, and they actually requested us, and that was a huge challenge for us because we only have one competitor internationally for this field, but we took the challenge, and it only took about like 6 months for us to develop this technology, and now we have the lowest wear rate around the world for this product, so we're quite well, and we just finished the field test, and the field test has been made by Patria. The bearings got tested on the vehicle, and we turned out to be like we passed the test, so seems like we're going to be selling these products all around the world, not only on the defense side, but also on the railway and aerospace. So it has a lot of different applications where we can use this bearings.
That's very interesting. It's exciting times for you. Tell me a little bit about the armor system that you've unveiled here.
Well, the armors is also, they're quite new to us. So we tested two different technology, and according to the standard 4569, and we passed the test. We're giving level 3 and level 4. We did edge testing, edge shots, and also multi shots as well. And we also have the level 5 ready to be tested, but we only have just a month to do that. We couldn't do it here at the moment, but the test results were amazing. By far, we have heard that we were the best until now, and we also trust ourselves on the armor side, and we're getting ready for not only 5, but also hopefully 6 in the future as well.
We look forward to that too. And one last thing, you hinted yesterday at some new software that you're developing. Can you tell us a little bit about that without revealing all the secrets?
Well, that's we're trying to keep that as a secret for a little more while, but I can talk about it just briefly. We're actually going to launch that software at DACI London at September. That is something that excites us very much, actually, because we want to change the perspective of the supplying system at the moment, because defense is something else, and that requires a lot of quality and a lot of know-how, and also some more layers of different than just a random manufacturing for a component. So what we're trying to give on our software is that we are giving an integrated manufacturing solutions under the control of an expert team of engineers and quality inspectors. But what we are giving is that the full control to our customers, where we are giving the full control of the information and full control of the tracking of their orders. So we, instead of just saying like supplying or manufacturing, we put this on the field as a premium service of an integrated manufacturing solutions, and we're only focusing on the high-tech manufacturing as well.
That's great. Thank you so much for your time, Naz. Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.